They just reported another one.
That is crazy.
They said there was a funnel cloud.
Maybe if it's over the ocean, would the ocean be that way?
No, that's the middle of the farmland up there.
Is it?
We do not have funnel clouds.
That's a tornado.
This guy's taking pictures.
I've never in my life ever.
Oh, it's picked up a lot of dirt, hasn't
Could
it?
you make it cooler in here, John?
Sure.
Just watch and see which way it goes.
Yeah, I'm trying to see. Does it look like it's breaking up now? The bottom? I'm trying to keep it in line.
I've never seen a tornado before.
Is there a weather alert channel on the
No.
radio?
There's a dust storm tornado. Mini tornado. It looks like it's breaking up now. And I can see the tiny part in the middle still.
Oh my gosh. Turn this channel.
That looks like it's dissipating.
Oh yeah.
Thankfully. That is wild. Good thing it happened over the clay. It's easy to see. Still a little bit of something right in the center of it.
Still looks strong.
That's the dust settling on the outside of it, I think. Wild.
Wild
My
things.
first tornado sighting in
Yeah,
Hawaii, no less.
hopefully it lasts.
Hawaii, yeah, yours too.